Good morning, students. Today in maths class we will learn multiplication of centimeter, meter and kilometer. So, as you had learned addition and subtraction, the same steps or the same procedure we will follow. For this multiplication, at first we will multiply the different units separately. At first, as in the first sum you can see kilometer and meter, two units are there. So, at first we will multiply meter part, then we will multiply the kilometer part. Okay. So, let's start our today's lesson. So, 15 kilometer 121 meter to be multiplied by 6. So, as I told, at first meter part to be multiplied. So, 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 12 are 2 and 12 2 and 1 to be carried over here to the next place. 6 ones are 6 and 6 plus 1 7. So, 726 meter, and this meter multiplication of meter part is over. Now, we will proceed to kilometer. 6 15s are, we know the table of 15, 6 15s are 90. So, our answer is 90 kilometer 726 meter. Okay. So, next do sum number B. Here you can see here also two units, but they are meter and centimeter. 25 meter 51 centimeter to be multiplied by 4. So, as we did in sum number A also, at first centimeter part to be multiplied, then meter part to be multiplied. So, let us start. 4 ones are 4, 4 fives are 20. Okay. Next meter part, 4 fives are 20, 0, 2 to be carried over here, 4 twos are 8, 8 plus 2 10. So, 100 meter and 204 centimeter. Now, remember, as you did in addition, whenever the numbers in this unit is exceeding the relationship, here the relationship meter and centimeter, remember, is of 100. 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. So, here it is more than 100. So, we need to convert this extra part, whatever moreover part is we are getting, that part to be converted to the next unit, that is meter. So, 200, from this 200, as I told you, the small clue I have given also, as there are two zeros in 100. So, last two digits to be left and rest digit to be carried over to the next unit. So, 404 will be left as centimeter and 2 to be added as meter, because 204 as we can solve in like this way also. 204 centimeter we can write 200 plus 4. So, this 200 means 2 into 100, and so 2 meter we can write. So, from this only we are getting 2 meter. So, 2 I am adding with this 100, and the final answer is 102 meter and 4 centimeter. Okay. Now, do the next sum. 4 kilometer 602 meter by 5. Here the sum is not arranged. You have to arrange it, then you have to multiply. So, you know how to arrange. At first you have to write the units on the top, kilometer and meter, two units are there, and then you have to put the numbers properly. 4 kilometers, so 4 to be written in kilometer and 602 to be written in meter part. Now, next step, to be multiplied this unit separately. So, 5 twos are 10, 0, 1 to be carried, 5 zeros are 0 plus 1, 1, and 5 6 are 30. So, 3010 and 4 5s are 20. Okay. So, in this way multiplication done. So, our next step is to just remember the relationship. Here the units are kilometer and meter. So, relationship is of 1000, as there are 3 zeros. So, from the last 3 digits will be left as meter and the rest digit to be added in kilometer part. So, 3 I am adding with this 20. So after adding, I am getting 23 and the meter is 10. So 23 kilometer, 10 meter is the answer. Now do the last sum. Again you have to arrange this sum in the column, then you have to multiply. Here the units are meter and centimeter, so write the units on the top, meter and centimeter, then put the numbers in the proper place. 14 meter, 31 centimeter, then here we have to multiply by 2 digit. Okay, 20 is a 2 digit number, so this step in this sum we are going to multiply by a 2 digit number. So this also the same steps we will follow. At first centimeter part to be multiplied, then meter part to be multiplied. So if you want, you can solve this multiplication separately in rough place, like I am doing. 31 centimeter to be multiplied by 20. So 0 ones are 0, 0, 2 ones are 2 and 3 twos are 6. So 620. This thing I am doing in the rough, and I am telling you to do the same, because if you do this 2 steps multiplication here, it will not look good. Okay, so because there are already 2 columns, 2 separate units are there. Again if we do this total steps here, it will look very bad. So that's why if you want, you can solve this multiplication separately in the rough place. Okay, and final answer I am writing as 620 here. Okay, and similarly 14 to be multiplied by 20. So again I am doing rough place. 4 zeros are 0, 1 zeros are 0, 4 twos are 8, 2 ones are 2. So I am getting 280. Okay, so I have written the final answer here. So now see, here again the relationship you have to remind. Here meter and centimeter relationship is 100. 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. So 2 zeros are there. So from the last 2 digits you have to keep as centimeter, and the rest digits to be added, to be shifted as the next unit, that is here it is meter. So 6 to be added with this meter part. So 280 plus 6, if we add 286 and 20 centimeters. So final answer is 286 meter 20 centimeter. In this way you will solve this 2 sums E and F in your mathematics notebook. Okay, you can see in sum number this both the sums you have to arrange in columns like this way, then you have to multiply, and sum number E you can see you have to multiply by a 2 digit number, that is 12. So as I told, you can do this double step multiplication separately at the rough place, and then you will put the answer as I did in sum number D. Okay, in this way you will solve and submit only these 2 sums, solved sums, in Google Mathematics Classroom. Thank you, students.